Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ankur Roja and I hope you guys are doing well. So today we'll be making a video on the 5 emerging trends in the kitchen, or rather the kind of kitchens that I would like to make in the coming years, which is 2022. Certain things that I would like to use, the colors that I want to play with. So we're gonna begin the episode today, and before I do that, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel. It really helps and motivates us to make more valuable videos or more informative videos. So as you're aware, we're going to be discussing the 5 emerging kitchen trends for the year 2020. So for me, point number one is adding a character to the kitchen. Especially after lockdown and pandemic, a lot of people have spent time in their homes and they are still working from home. So did I. And I think what I realized in the kitchen is that there is no character that is there in the kitchen. It's all plain. There is no certain difference in the flooring that we've been using. सालों साल से अगर आप देखेंगे जो किचन की फ्लोरिंग है वो हमेशा से प्लेन रही है. So in the coming year, what I would like to experiment is that we should add some colors in the kitchen, as well as we should add a character, a main character to the kitchen should be the flooring. अब इतने अच्छे पैटर्न्स अवेलेबल हैं, इतने अच्छे टाइल्स अवेलेबल हैं, तराजो अवेलेबल है. सो आई जस्ट वांट टू प्ले विद मोर ऑफ कैरेक्टर इन द किचन, स्पेशली पुटिंग अ फोकस ऑन दी फ्लोरिंग. अगर आप देखेंगे तो कैबिनेट्स एट्सेट्रा, किचन एक ऐसा एरिया है जहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा फ्लोर विजिबल होता है. बेडरूम्स में बेड्स कवर कर लेता है, लिविंग में आपका सोफास, डाइनिंग, बेड्स, एवरीथिंग गेट्स कवर्ड. आप कहीं पे रग रख देते, लेकिन किचन इज़ प्राइमरीली वन एरिया जहाँ पे उसकी फ्लोरिंग जो है वो काफ़ी विजिबल होती है. एंड वहीं पे अगर आप नोटिस करेंगे सबसे ज़्यादा लोग किचन्स को प्लेन रखते हैं. सो फॉर मी पॉइंट नंबर वन इज एडिंग अ कैरेक्टर टू द किचन, स्पेशली टू द फ्लोरिंग. पॉइंट नंबर टू फॉर मी वुड बी एडिंग terrazzo. If you'll notice, normally kitchens are very plain. There is no color or there is no element of glamour in it. काफ़ी टाइम से अगर आप देखेंगे टराजो जो है वो घरों में अब काफ़ी लगना शुरू हो गया, स्पेशली वॉशरूम में. सो if you see, if you have a plain kitchen and if I need to add a little bit of glamour to it, I will certainly like to use terrazzo as the kitchen splashback. अगर आपकी पूरी किचन आपकी प्लेन है और अगर हमारा स्प्लैशबैक जो है वो पूरा टराजो का है, ना कुछ भी ज़्यादा करते हुए अगर हम बाकी सारी चीज़ों को प्लेन रखते हैं, सो इट विल एड अ लॉट ऑफ ग्लैमर टू इट एंड अ लॉट ऑफ कलर टू इट. Basically, it will add life to the kitchen. So in the coming year, I would like to use terrazzo in the kitchens quite a lot. For me to would be to add a darker detail in the kitchen. So this is the trend that I think will emerge, and I would really like to use it. That अगर आप कभी भी नोटिस करेंगे, प्राइमरीली जो आपके किचन आइलैंड्स होते हैं या आपके किचन टॉप्स होते हैं वो लाइटर शेड्स में होते हैं. उसमें जो लाइट्स होती हैं वो वाइट कलर में होंगी. बट व्हाट आई सी दैट इन द कमिंग ईयर ऑल्सो व्हाट आई वुड लाइक टू यूज इज to have those in black color. Like if you have a island counter in black, the stone is in a dark gray, or vice versa, and you have darker color lights, so there would be a certain class of element that will come in, and we will have to break the monotonous kitchen that's been going on in our minds. So I think shifting from beige to your whites and to camel color, I think it's time that we should start using more of darker shades in the kitchen, just to add more of class and glamour to it. I think in the coming years this will be a big trend, and I would really love to use this as my point number 3. Let's add darker shades, make nice countertops and island in the kitchen in darker shades. So for me, point number 4 is color green. I think that in the coming year, which is 2022, or certainly the kind of color that I want to use as well is, we've discussed about black, adding a terrazzo. But if somebody, I think that would not be very comfortable using a black color or a terrazzo, I think a shade of green will be emerging as a very big trend in 2022, because one, it's a very natural color. It gives a lot of freshness to the entire room. And the color olive, I feel will take over as a kitchen cabinet, because an olive color in the kitchen cabinet looks really classy, and it goes with white as well. So an olive color or a shade of green will absolutely take over kitchen cabinets, and it will look really classy. It's easy to maintain, and I think it will come out really well. Certainly I'll be using it in a lot of kitchens in the coming year. So point number 5 for me is cozy country kitchens. So what has happened is, एक आपका हमेशा से ट्रेंड रहा है, which is a very nice plain clean looking kitchens. But I think in the coming year, that would also change. People would like to go for more of rural kind of a look, where your bricks are exposed. Like for example, you have like an industrial feel to it. So things with an industrial kind of a kitchen, that will also take over, because you have a wooden plank that is exposed, or your beam which is exposed, your walls which are being exposed, more on the industrial line. I think this is the very important thing that I've been noticing in the client's mind these days, because when we talk to them, and when we take a briefing what kind of things that they want, I think dheere dheere the mindset of people are changing, which is going towards the industrial feel, जहाँ पे आपकी if you see that industrial feel, जहाँ पे आपकी bricks, आजकल वैसे cafes भी बहुत बनने लग गए हैं, so that industrial cafe or office look is coming in the kitchens as well. So I think in the coming year 2022, it will be a big game changer for kitchens. There's going to be a lot of industrial kind of a kitchen, a rural kitchen, where people would like to invest their time and money in. And something that I would also love to do, because हम बहुत सालों से एक typical kitchen बनाते आ रहे हैं, उसमें एक it's going to be a very different feel to it. So yes, maybe a cozy kitchen with a rural feel or an industrial feel, that will be a good range in 2022. So these were my 5 points that I thought I would see that trend changing, or something that I would like to implement in the coming years for the kitchens, because एक typical kitchens को हम बनाते बनाते we are also bored of it. There's the same colors, there's nothing new. So I think if we look at these 5 points and implement, or also maybe put these points across towards the your probable clients, or or the homeowners, I think we'll be able to take this trend forward. And meanwhile, you take care of yourself, and wish you a very happy new year, and I'm gonna see you soon.